It's Lizzie's Life Journey. Ingredients: brown sugar, cinnamon, apple pie spice, apple, and butter. Oh, and don't forget the crescent rolls. First, you melt the butter and you'll put the slices of apples peeled and soak it in the butter. That'll be 1/3 teaspoon of butter. Like, subscribe to Alicia's Life Journey for your chance to win a free Amazon gift card in the giveaway. Don't forget to comment. Then you'll put the 1 teaspoon of apple pie spice and 1/3 cups of brown sugar. Mix it together really well. Next, we'll get the crescent rolls. Just open these up. It yields 8, so we'll make 8 apple pies. The link below shows how to make apple pie seasoning if you don't have any. Okay, we just get the buttered apple slice. And you just put some of this cinnamon, apple pie spice, and brown sugar on it. Then we're gonna wrap it up in the crescent rolls, hold it really tightly. Then we'll pour some more butter on it. And then we'll sprinkle it some more with the seasoning. And we'll just repeat. They look all good and all done. Time to bake for 12 minutes for 375 degrees Fahrenheit on bake. It's time to take these apple pies out of the oven. Be careful, it's hot. Everybody said it was really, really good. Even he said it's really good. Okay, there you go, everybody. These are the crescent rolls apple pie turnovers. Thanks. Like, subscribe to Alicia's life journey for your chance to win a free Amazon gift card in the giveaway. Don't forget to comment.